Yo, what is going on everyone? Earn with Todd here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to close over 1,000 pips within a 15-minute time period. By the way, I just got this brand new shirt and okay, we got dollars all over me. My name is Earn with Todd, so it's only fitting that we got dollars all around me. I mean, we even have money right here in the background. But in this video, you're going to see how I bagged over 1,000 pips trading US30 along with DAX 30. And I closed these two trades live on stream on my Twitch. And let me tell you, if you want to learn how to trade US30, I got the perfect trading strategy for you to learn. It's called the Kangaroo Tail strategy. And what a Kangaroo Tail is, it's a simple one candle price action strategy. It is not that difficult to learn how to trade them. In fact, I even put together a free 28-minute trading school video on how to accurately trade Kangaroo Tails. And if you check that video description, I will have a link to this website, kangaroohunter.com. I just launched this site over 2 weeks ago and already we have 787 members. This website is completely free. Like I said, it's a 28-minute video on how to trade the Kangaroo Tails. And it's the same trading strategy that you're about to see some highlights on. So what I'm going to do right now is pull up those highlights from last week and show you how I bagged over 1,000 pips within 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so I actually downloaded this clip from one of my Twitch streams. I stream every single weekday, 6:30 a.m. Pacific to around 8:30 a.m. Pacific. We're trading these indices right when the New York Stock Exchange opens, and we're also trading some of the stocks. Because you gotta remember, the stocks is what moves US30. A lot of people think when they're trading US30, they gotta look at the USD Forex pairs, but that just cannot be any further from the truth. Because in reality, it is the stocks that move the indices, so you gotta be watching those stocks. And I will have the link to this live Twitch stream down below in the video description. It's going to be completely free, so you don't got to pay anything. And like I said, if you check out my website, kangaroohunter.com, you will see there is nothing for you to purchase. But with that said, let's go ahead and let this clip roll, and you'll see how the Kangaroo Tail strategy works.
Sell DAX, we have a sell on DAX. That's a fucking good Kangaroo. It's on its own too.
So right up here, okay, I was saying this is a good Kangaroo Tail. A Kangaroo Tail candle is a candle with a very small body and a long wick, but there are certain characteristics that we have to look for when it comes to a Kangaroo Tail. I know a lot of people might say, oh, that's just a pin bar. Well, no, there are specific rules to the Kangaroo Tail, and one of them is the open and close of that Kangaroo Tail candle must be within the previous candle's range. So we can't see too good on here because I can't zoom in on here, but this Kangaroo Tail followed those characteristics. So it was the candle that I was looking for, and I went ahead and sold here in a couple of moments.
I'm gonna sell DAX. Gotta sell DAX. No doubt about it. It hit my zone.
You hear me see right there, it hit my zone. So one of the other characteristics that we have to look for when we're trading Kangaroo Tail candles is you want them to be extending past a zone.
I'm risking $10 on this. I want at least a 3-to-1, 1-to-3. Go down here somewhere. Now let's check these stocks ASAP. Okay, US30 is still going to go up.
So here I'm looking at the JP Morgan stock because JP Morgan is one of the big boy stocks when it comes to US30 moves. At this point, I was actually looking to also sell US30.
Goldman Sachs hitting that zone, turning around a little bit.
And there I was looking at Goldman Sachs, and then here we got Nike right here. Nike also had a Kangaroo Tail, which was a good sign for US30, because usually when Kangaroo Tails print on the stocks that are on US30, US30 will react to that immediately.
No, I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna fucking sell US30.
So here I finally did sell US30 because there was a Kangaroo Tail, but I was waiting because I was already in the sell for DAX 30. So as soon as it was confirmed that US30 was going to start going down, and remember a few moments ago I showed you there was a Kangaroo Tail on Nike, so we had a lot of good confirmations to sell US30. And we'll just go ahead and skip forward. Here we can see DAX, I'm up 148 pips here. And then US30, I'm up over 300 pips. So, I mean, if you're looking for a very simple strategy to trade and you're tired of trying all these other strategies that just do not work, you may want to look into the Kangaroo Tail strategy. Because let me tell you, they catch huge reversals. And don't worry, okay, if you are a beginner trader or your account is a lot smaller, you're going to want to check out the broker that I left down in the video description. It's called InGot Brokers. I also have a full in-depth YouTube review video on InGot Brokers. And what is unique about InGot is they will allow you to trade on smaller contract sizes. So it will give you a lot more flexibility when it comes to lot sizes, because I know a lot of people are used to hearing the saying, oh, one micro lot is just worth 10 cents. Well, you know what, on InGot, some other indices such as US30, if you're trading on one micro lot, 1 pip is actually going to be worth 1 cent because the contract sizes are 1/10 the size that you're used to. So absolutely perfect for a small account, $100, $200 account or whatnot. I personally trade with about a $2,000 account, But do not worry, okay? $100 to $200 on 10 contracts is plenty, okay? You can still risk 1% while trading US30s, so do not feel left out.
Alright, I went ahead and closed my DAX trade. I'm going to let US30 run.
So right there, I went ahead and closed out my DAX trade. I bagged 258 pips right there. And we were break even on US30 at this point, up 462 pips. At this point, only 9 minutes has gone by since I first entered that DAX trade, and we already locked up 258 pips, and we're up 462 pips. And this is where it started to get intense, because I had my take profit for 1,000 pips. And right here, okay, we're up 937 pips. And we are so close to hitting that TP. I know if you are probably watching this, you're probably like, Todd, why are you not closing right now? Well, you know what? Look how close it is to that TP. Let's see how this plays out. And unfortunately, for some reason, my stream muted out right here, but I was deciding to move my stop losses down at this point. Here it is, just hovering around 880 pips to 900 pips.
So close to 1,000.
And yeah, as I'm saying right there, I'm so close to 1,000 and it's starting to reverse.
I'm glad I'm doing this live, but I might close because this is my. If I close now, this is my biggest trade. But I want to go for 1,000. You know, what's better? I believe my stream was lagging right there. What do y'all think? Should I just close right now or let it hit 1,000 pips?
Yeah, so what do y'all think, YouTube viewers? Should I have closed right here, or do I need to let it hit that stop loss or TP?
Let's hear the majority rule right now. Should I close? If I close now, it's still my biggest trade pip-wise. Come on, motherfucker. Come on, just fucking drop.
And there you hear, okay, we got peer emotion coming out right there.
This is testing my patience. This is testing my patience.
Okay, the hat comes off, and you can see, okay, this is absolutely testing my patience to hit 1,000 pips.
A couple of you say close now. I was so close to 1,000 though. Alright, I had to do it. I had to close. Alright guys, right there, we closed 770 pips.
And I did the math, and it was actually 787 pips I closed, which was my biggest trade I ever closed on stream. And in fact, my biggest trade pip-wise that I've ever done. Before that, I got a 750 pip trade on S&P 500, but right there eclipsed my biggest trade at 787 pips. And ladies and gentlemen, the official pip count closed was 1,045 pips right there in a 15-minute time period using the Kangaroo Tail strategy. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and like this video. Check out the video description. Make sure you check out my website, kangaroohunter.com. There you will find that free in-depth 28-minute Kangaroo Tail Trading School video. It's going to take you step by step, and it will teach you this strategy guaranteed, okay? I don't got any upsells. There's no $500 video course. I don't sell any signals. In fact, you will not even find a single credit card form on my website. So with that said, everyone, Earn with Todd is signing out this video. Have a great rest of the day, everyone.